Now coming to the next page. Now first villager, as he told that losing your balance there. Now second villager, what did he say? No way, I have the sure-footedness of a mountain goat. Sure-footedness of a mountain goat means he said that he has an excellent balance like a mountain goat. Yuki, seriously, wait, the earth moved under my feet. I think it was an earthquake. Second villager, what did he say? We have not had an earthquake for a long time. What makes you think we are going to have one now? First villager, you just don't know how to have fun, Yuki, always working just like your grandfather. Now, they are pointing out Yuki that he is always busy in work like his grandfather and is not realizing anything and enjoying with us. Now, what happened? All the villagers pick up what they had dropped and start going about their business again as if nothing happened. Now, start going about their business means that they start to work again as they were working as nothing has happened. Now, Yuki, what he said loudly? Wait. Yuki looks at the back wall of the room and puts up a hand to shade his eyes. With the other hand, he points over the head of the people in the audience. I saw the houses below move. Look, the sea had turned black. Now it looks like the sea is running backward away from our village. To whom he said? To the audience. Now I remember that what grandfather had said the sea would turn black and run away from the shore just before a tsunami. Now he remembered all what his grandfather said and was making explaining to the villagers that what his grandfather said, what were the signs before the tsunami used to come. All the villagers walked to where Yuki is standing. First villager, look, I have never seen anything like this before. Look how far the ocean has pulled back. We can see parts of the beach that we never saw before. Now, second villager, in the next page, what did he say? Yes, let's go to the beach right away. Imagine all the beautiful shells we will be able to find. We can string them together. Now, children, what did this that Yuki warns the villagers? Yuki looked down to where the houses moved below. The sea too had turned black and drawn backwards. Now Yuki remembered what his grandfather had said. The sea would turn black and draw back from the shore just before a tsunami. But the other villagers had never seen anything like that. Now they headed towards the beach to gather the beautiful shells they hoped to find there. As the sea was going back, so they headed towards the beach to gather the shells. Now,